Hello guys and welcome to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to log out of Gmail account on your phone. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our Gmail account. Unfortunately, my Gmail account isn't working, so I will do it on my browser instead. But you can also do this in your Gmail app. And after going into your Gmail account, just click on your profile icon, which is right here. And after that, you will be asked to add your another account. So just click add another account right here, and then just put the Gmail account that you want to put to log into your Gmail account, so that the other account will be signed out or will be logged out. Or what you can do right there, if you have this option, the sign out option, so just click sign out option, and as you can see right there, our account is now signed out in our Gmail account. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.